So hello guys, today we will see what's inside a calculator. So here I have a calculator of this brand. You can see Citizen, new brand. Um, so we will open this calculator and see what's inside it. It's not working calculators. That's why I'm opening it, and I opened it before only. And now I am going to tell you that what I found inside this calculator. So let's open its back cover. So if we open its back cover, oh, light came. um, if we are going to open its back cover, it's not easy open. So we will take help of a pen and open it like this. Okay, now the back cover is open. Let's reveal what's inside this calculator. So here is the back part only, nothing inside. It's only a piece of plastic now. So you can see that inside this, here it is main component of this calculator, through which this calculator do basic calculations. It is not a scientific calculator. It is a basic calculator which everyone use in daily calculations. So here we get its I think it is display. Yes, yes, it is its display where it takes the input and display the result. Here it is back part. I don't know what's it, but it is the main display, and here it have many like for transferring data from this to display. From this it calculates, and from these it transfers the data, and on this display it displays the result. Now let's keep it aside and see what's this. If we see this, here it is something plastic material it is, and here it is a rubber material, and here it is whole circuit from which it calculates, and here it take different input. As you can see, when we take this rubber cushion type thing, so when we click on this 7, then the point corresponds 7, which is this point. So this point operates and transfers data to this, and from this it is transferred to this and display on the display. So it is how a calculator works. Here it is main component. First this display, second this broke, I think. Here it is ship type thing. Here it is circuit, inner circuit, front side and back side. Actually this is the front side and this is the back side. And here it is rubber cushion, and here it is the main body, and here it is its back cover. So this is all about this calculator. I hope if you like this video, please do like it, subscribe it, and support it.